In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add music to your GoDaddy website builder website step by step. If you want background music, an audio player for podcasts, or even a music preview for your visitors, this method is simple and works perfectly. We'll be uploading your audio file, generating a direct link, and embedding it into your GoDaddy site using a custom HTML section. Make sure you watch until the end so you don't miss the important link conversion step. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy website tutorials. Now, let's get started. First, we need to upload your audio file to Google Drive. Open your browser and go to drive.google.com. Sign in with your Google account. Once you're inside Google Drive, click the New button in the top left corner, then choose File Upload. Select your MP3 or WAV audio file from your computer and wait for the upload to finish completely. Depending on the file size and your internet speed, this may take a few seconds or a couple of minutes. Once uploaded, you'll see the file appear in your drive. Next, we need to make that audio file public so it can be accessed on your website. Right-click on the uploaded audio file and click Get Link. In the sharing settings, change the visibility option to Anyone with the link. Make sure it says that anyone with the link can view the file. After that, click Copy Link, and then click Done. Keep this link somewhere handy because we'll need it in the next step. Now we need to convert that Google Drive sharing link into a direct audio link. The normal sharing link won't work properly inside an audio player. To do this, take the link you copied and extract the file ID, which is the long string of letters and numbers between /d and /view. Then format your direct link like this: https://drive.google.com/uc:/export equals download and ID equals file ID. Replace file ID with your actual file ID. This will create a direct downloadable link that works inside an HTML audio player. Once your direct link is ready, log into your GoDaddy account. Go to godaddy.com and sign in. From your account dashboard, click on My Products. Scroll until you find your website builder product, then click Edit Website to open the website editor. Inside the editor, we're going to add an HTML section. Click the Add Section button, which usually appears as a plus icon. Scroll through the available sections and search for HTML. Select the HTML section and add it to your page. You'll now see an empty HTML box appear on your site. Now it's time to insert the audio player code. Inside the HTML box, paste a simple audio player embed code using the audio tag. In the source section of the code, replace your direct MP3 link with the direct link you just created from Google Drive. Make sure the link is pasted correctly and doesn't contain any extra spaces. This code will generate a built-in audio player that visitors can use to play or pause your music directly on your website. After pasting the code, click Done. Then click Publish to make the changes live. Always remember to save and publish, otherwise your audio player won't appear on the live version of your site. Once published, visit your website and test the player to make sure the audio loads and plays correctly. And that's it! You've successfully added music to your GoDaddy website builder website. If this video helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical website tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.